So I heard you're looking for the wig of the summer. But look no further, because this wig is what wig? This wig is scalped. This wig is quality. This wig is luscious. This wig is a deep wave wig from Alipearl, and I am feeling myself. Hey everyone, welcome to the Rockstar Experience channel. I'm your girl, Kashay the Rockstar. And if you read the title, you know we are here with my one and only Alipearl, the one and only Alipearl, okay? So as you can see, they love me. They love me already. The packaging is gold. And to know me is to know my favorite color is gold. So Alipearl, you already got a 10 out of 10. Just based on the packaging alone, okay? It's telling me luxury. It's telling me golden. It's telling me it's a royalty. It's luxury. This is quality. This is what I deserve, right? Okay, so we're just going to jump straight into it. You know, I don't like to take all day with these unboxings or just with anything. I like to jump straight into it. Ain't nobody got time for all that fluff. You know what to do. If you like my vibe, you like my energy, you like my review, if you want to see more, you like, subscribe, and comment. So let's just get into it. So we're gonna come this angle with it. Let me know if y'all like this. So as we first acknowledge, the packaging is A1. I love this gold shoebox style. I ain't gotta flip stuff, remove the magnet, untie the bow, none of that. Okay, so then we're presented with the product, the HD 13x4 22-inch lace frontal wig, and it is undetectable, which means it's a skin melting transparent lace. And what I also like about it is that it comes in cap sizes, because I got a small head, bow head, okay? This is a small. Thank you Alipearl. We're gonna get into this wig in a few, but let's look at the more goodies, the other goodies that y'all provided. So we got a melting edge wrap or a melting band. We got an edge brush. We also have some HD caps. Y'all love me. Y'all love me. Yes. We have some lashes. And you know what? I appreciate these, because a lot of companies been forgetting to send the lashes. These are the OGs. You know, we don't really care too much about the edge brush. Thank you. I appreciate it. We don't care about them press-ons. We want lashes. Thank you. We appreciate that. Ooh, and it's a nice little compact mirror. Hello, because I want to check myself out after I install this wig. Thank you. Oh, nice. And then you guys provided a nice satin bag, which can be used to store the wig later. I absolutely love it. Now let's get into this wig. So before I start this install on myself, I really want to discuss the wig. Like, I want to inspect it and make sure it's worth installing, right? So first things first, we have this lace. Like, look at it. And it looks like they did a lot of the hard work for us. It looks like it's pre-plucked. The knots are bleached, which you can tell on this side because it's a lighter color. And then if you look at the scalp, it's a lighter color. So thank you Alipearl for plucking and bleaching, because you just saved me over an hour worth of time. And then I'm also looking at these knots. I want to make sure that they're really, 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 really small. And they are. This is a great wig. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. And it's really soft. It doesn't have any smell. This is straight out of the packaging. So it is ready to be installed. I love it. Nice luster, good bounce. I love it, love it. Okay, so it looks like all we have to do is put our foundation color on, slick our hair back, put on our HD cap if you want, because y'all know me, I don't wear those. And then apply our adhesive, and we ready to rock and roll. So let's get into it. First things first, I'm going to use my witch hazel to cleanse my hairline. I'm getting all the excess oil and makeup off of my hairline. Then after I do that, I'm going to use my Gots to Be gel and slick back my edges. I'm slicking back my edges so they do not get caught up in the glue or in the way of that lace shining like the star it is. I'm slicking that thing back. After I do that, I'm going to put on my HD cap. I'm literally just using this HD wig cap to keep my hair back and stop from pushing forward. I am not about to do the traditional spray on and color the wig cap because honestly I don't like to use them and I don't like that process. For a second, let's acknowledge the inside of this wig. It has an adjustable strap and 3 combs. I'm going to adjust the band for my head and then pop this wig on just to try it on, and I am loving it. It looks good. A little cha-cha, a little dance. I am feeling it without the lace tint because Alipearl, you ate this up, baby. But in all honesty, this wig and this hairline looks so nice. Like, I cannot wait to install it. So let's get it. I'm going to tint my lace with this concealer by Alipearl Girl, and I'm going to buff it in the inside. Just rub it in, and then I'm also going to do the outside of the lace as well. Yeah, that's looking good. I'm reassuring myself throughout this whole video, so bear with me. I'm going to try back on the wig and it looks so good. Like, I am in love. I know this thing is about to eat. So, let's get it. Alright, so I'm going to flip this wig back, use my favorite for the summer, this Bold Hold Active. I absolutely live and breathe this Bold Hold Active, and it's black owned. Hello. So I'm going to use that and apply 3 to 4 layers depending on how long you want it to stay on. I'm only doing 3 layers. I'm going to apply that as thin as possible so it can dry easily. I'm just using the back of this edge brush to smooth in the adhesive, making sure that it's thin layer as possible. After I apply my adhesive, I'm going to cleanse my hands with hand sanitizer, then pop this wig on. I am securing the middle first using the teeth of my rat tail comb, just smoothing it in, and then I'm going to work on my left side and smooth it in as well. And then after I go from my left side, I'm going to go directly to my right side, just smoothing in the adhesive with the lace, just melting it in, getting it right. I'm telling y'all, this looks good already. After I adhere my wig on, I'm going to use my edge band. Now this is melt number 1. I am putting on my edge band before I cut off the excess lace. You want to wait 15 minutes. Just wait. At least 15 minutes, y'all. It could be about 20 if you want, but 15 minutes I do. So then I'm going to take off my edge band and then cut off the excess lace. I am getting as close as possible to that adhesive. If you look closely, you can kind of see the shine from the adhesive, so you want to get as close as possible and cut in a zigzag type of direction. You do not want to cut straight. Straight lines are harsh and they will show more. This is a very tedious part, so you want to just take your time. This video is sped up, so do not think you're supposed to move this fast, please. I must say, your girl is looking good. I'm so excited for this wig, Alipearl. Like, they ate it up with this one. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. After we cut off the excess lace, we're going to do touch-ups on our edges just to make sure that all the lace is adhered. Make sure you use the teeth of the comb to push the lace into the adhesive. After everything looks how you want, we're going to go ahead and go in with our second melting process. So we're going to take our Got2b spray because we have canceled even, okay? We're going to use that, spray it on the back of our hand, and then apply a little bit to the edges of our lace. Then we're going to take our melting band and wrap our edges again. Now it's time to style this unit. First things first, I'm going to make sure my part is straight because I don't think I installed this wig directly in the middle. So we're going to fix this part, make sure it's straight. Is it straight? Yes. Is it straight? Yes. Okay. We're going to use our hot comb to secure this part and define this part. Making sure it's nice and flat. Then we're going to use our concealer that's one shade lighter than our complexion, or sometimes you can use two depending on how light your scalp is. We're going to take that along the part and rub it in. Then we're going to take small to medium sections and spray down our hair. I am using my favorite brand for deep wave wigs, this Sally's Beyond the Zone. I forgot the name of it, but it's a defining curling spray and a curling pudding. But all the links for the products will be in my description. So you just want to repeat this process throughout the head. After you're done saturating the hair and applying the curling pudding, you want to go ahead and take off your edge wrap. And my girl looks good, okay? I'm just moving those hairs that may have got caught up in the front of that leg and smoothing it back. This is the wet versus dry, and baby, I love the fact that this wig didn't get too big, but it still held volume when it dried. I use a diffuser to dry the hair, and the wet version is nice and relaxed. You can keep this look and keep it soft and luscious with those products and just allow it to air dry like that, and it will not poof up like the right side. Okay, as y'all see, this wig gives summer realness. I had to change. I had to get ready because this gives pool party, honey. Like, I don't know what wig you're using for the summer, but this is it. This is it. Y'all know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.